So we've got a 11-year-old mare here that's been struggling with weight a little bit, and we'll show you guys. This is something that you'll find from time to time on horses. We'll look in the mouth here, and okay, so she had a history of recently being floated, and the person that floated her noticed that something was really off on the bottom teeth, and then referred her in. So we'll show you guys here. You can see some food down below. A little bit of a wave, but now we're going to look at what it looks like with the endoscope. So here we're on the horse's lower left side. You can see this all looks pretty good. Then now here we have a space. Here we have a tooth that shifted over into the cheek. This is very painful. You can see it's going into the cheek and cutting the cheek. And all that food is stuck there. Then if we go to the other side, you can see we've got a deviated tooth here, and then another tooth going into the cheek here. A lot of food packing. So this is a very painful condition. This goes to show how stoic horses are. They'll deal with a lot and not show a lot of signs. So we're going to be able to change her life significantly by taking these teeth out. You'll feel a lot better. We'll show what it looks like after the extraction. So here we've taken out both teeth, you can see. So the bleeding, that's normal, that's very healthy. We want that. Now on this side here, we can see this tooth here had this space and it's on its own. So it's really important to check the occlusal surface pressure on these teeth and to look for simultaneous occlusion so that we don't have too much pressure. So we're going to adjust that next. But this horse should feel like a totally different horse after this. Should put on weight better.